The box of magnetic wood blocks is called the EZ blocks. It comes with an instruction to learn scales, major, minor, relative key, and so on. And with 7 blocks, and they are magnetic. So you can turn easily as you do the sharps and flats. The red is on top and the black note and blue underneath. So you can turn very easily with the magnets. Here's a C major scale. You move the first 4, which is the tetrachord, to the right and flip the last one to a sharp. That's your G major scale. Let's do this again. Move the first 4 to the right and turn the last chord. So they're your D major scale with F sharp and C sharp. Now do you realize each scale, each letter has a sharp and a flat? In other words, D major is 2 sharps. There is a D flat. But the key signature, the accidental, always add up to 7. 2 plus 5. It's 7. D flat is B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. Fine. Let's do another one. Let's go to A. Move the 4 to the right and turn the last. That's your A major scale with 3 sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. And turn it underneath. That's your A flat. 4 flats. 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5. They always add up to 7. Now, let's go back to C major scale. To go to a minor key, the relative minor, just take the last 2 to the left. That's your A minor, natural minor. So in order to play the harmonic minor, you just flip the last one toward you, which is on the top. That's your A minor harmonic minor scale. Let's go to the parallel keys. C major, go to C minor, is to lower the 3rd, which is away from you, the 3rd and the 6th. This is your parallel keys of C minor. There are many things you can do with these blocks, not just do the scale. Let's say C, E, and G. This is your C major chord, and go to E flat, C minor. Flip this, diminished chord. You can go to augmented chord. Now let's talk about inversion. C, E, G is your root chord, and you want to go to first inversion, move the C to the top, a little wider because that's a 4th, but this is 3rd. Second inversion would be move again. Or, for that matter of fact, it might be good for you to do, just turn it down. This is your second inversion. Let's learn something about the fingering of scale. Usually the students is hard to remember. The C major scale, you're just doing like this. This shows you where to turn. 1, 2, 3. And you turn 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp major scale is a difficult key to learn. So let's move this in on 2 levels. There are 6 sharps. It makes it very clear everything is sharp except the note B. Learn the fingering from the blocks 2, 3, 4, and on the second level, thumb 2, 3 on C sharp, D sharp, and thumb on E sharp. Do this several times before and you go on to the keyboard. With the blocks, it looks much more obvious.